The Ministry of Agriculture, Government of West Bengal, has launched a scheme to provide financial assistance to small and marginal farmers to purchase agricultural machinery and equipment. Subsidies on solar pumps are one of them. The amount of subsidy will be up to Rs 2 lakh, subject to individual limit. About 75% of the project cost is subsidized, and the farmer has to deposit his own share in the financing bank before granting the grant to the supplier. This scheme is equally applicable across the state. Eligible beneficiaries are individual farmers, members of Primary Agricultural Cooperative Society or PACS, small and marginal farmers under Joint Liability Group or JLG, farmers with valid Kisan credit card or KCC who have not availed any benefit under the scheme within 2 years. Applicants must have a minimum of 1 acre of land. The documents required to apply for this project are Aadhaar card, voter card, mobile number, minimum 1 acre of land paper, bank passbook, farmer friend ID, which is not mandatory. How to apply? The complete FSSM application is online, so to speak. 3 applications can be done simultaneously under OTA, SFI, FSSM and CHC. If you want to get solar pump subsidy scheme, please click on FSSM. Go to the website matirkhata.net. Click on the Agricultural Mechanization, Farm Mechanization tab. Click on the year in which you are applying. Go to the applicant's registration and register yourself by voter ID number or phone number. ID and password will come after registration. You can then log in with your ID and password. After logging in, enter your information and upload scanned copy of land parcel and picture of bank passbook. Then, download the PDF of your application. Then, submit the application along with all the relevant documents to the local block agriculture office. The application form is submitted online and you can verify it within 30 days. If the application is approved by both District Level Selection Committee and Block Level Selection Committee, then go to the office of the Assistant Director Agriculture Office for more information. Subsidies will be given on a first-come, first-served basis. So, take the opportunity before you miss out. The subsidy will be sent directly to the applicant's account, but only after the solar pump is installed by the registered vendor.